Hi everyone and welcome to HugglePop. A few months ago, while trying to get our daughter admitted to a prestigious school here in Singapore, we received a request from the school. They asked us to submit a short 2 to 3 minute self-introduction video of our child. It sounded simple at first, but once we started, we realized we had no idea where to begin. We searched YouTube, blogs, parenting forums, but found no helpful or high-quality references. What looked like a quick task soon turned into multiple retakes, mini meltdowns, and a whole lot of trial and error. So in today's video, we're sharing the exact framework we finally figured out, step by step, so that you don't have to go through the same struggle. And if you stay till the end, you'll get to see the final video we made for our daughter, packed with ideas, inspiration, and lots of cuteness. If this video helps you even a little, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HugglePop. We're here to make parenting just a little easier. Let your child start by introducing themselves. They can share their full name, age, the city they live in, and a little bit about their family, like mom, dad, siblings, or even a pet. The goal here is to create familiarity and warmth right from the start. Next, move on to their school life. Ask them to talk about their school name, class, favorite teachers, and maybe a few of their best friends or classmates. This helps showcase their comfort and social confidence in a school setting. Now comes the fun part: hobbies and personality. Ask your child what they love doing the most and show short clips of those activities. This could include playing an instrument like the ukulele, swimming, studying or reading, dancing, painting or doing art, or spending time with animals. This is where their unique personality really shines. And finally, a quick note on editing style. Keep each clip around 5 to 10 seconds. Use soft filters, pastel tones and warm lighting. Add calm background music. And most importantly, let your child speak naturally. Don't force it.
Hello, my name is Adhika and I'm 5 years old, and I live in Singapore with all my family, Mama, Papa, and my brother and auntie. To play for the school, and I am in class K1, and I'm teacher is and my favorite friend is Kyla, and my favorite color is black and white. I like to paint and swim and play ukulele. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to swim. I like to play the pool. This artwork I made this with my mama, and this is my favorite painting which I made in my paint paper.
She's a baby, you know. So you dance really fast.
I love that thing. That's all. Bye bye.